How to make Google Chrome remember your password. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about, so this is very simple process, guys. Chrome has a feature that they can offer you to save your new password or new login information, and you can easily re-log in by using the using this save information. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay, guys, so I'm on my Chrome. So the simple way, you just open the Chrome browser and just click on this little three dot option, which is upper right corner, and go to the settings. Under the setting, you will have this interface, and you will have this option at your sidebar, left sidebar, and we need to go in autofills. Under the autofills, go to the password and manager, and you can see there is an option offer the save password. If it is disabled like this, you have to enable it. Okay, and this is for auto sign in. When you enable this save password, and when you save any login information and password for particular website, then this website will be auto sign if you enable this. Okay, it will be auto sign means when you open any website, it will be auto sign if their login information save in your Chrome browser. So you can enable this for save password, you can enable this for automatic logins. Okay, here you can see all your save password. You can see there, if you have Google account synchronized with your Chrome, then you will see the all save password in your Google account also. You can see this is my all password, which is I have saved in my Google account, and your Google account also can offer you to save password. Okay, this is password in your browser, and this is password save password for your Google account. Okay, if you don't have Google account synchronizing, you can synchronize, or you can directly go to this option by going my account. How you can do this? Just log in with your Google account, just click on profile photo, go to the manage account, and here go to the data and privacy, just scroll down, and you will see the option called password. Sorry, go to security. Let me check on security, and here you can see the password manager. This is a Google account password manager, and here you can see this all your password and details, login information, and from here you can make the Google account to offer you to save password. This password will be saved in your Google account. Okay, auto sign in also there, you can use it, and this is a password alert. If there is any password found online, then it will be alert you. You can also enable it. Okay, if you want to use this password on your Chrome browser, you have to synchronize your Google account here. From here you have to turn on synchronize. Okay, then all your password will be synchronized your Chrome browser, and you can use. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.